Hi there, and welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you are you. I recently bought this air fryer, and I have to say, I'm not sure what all the fuss is about. Because I've been frying this air for 30 minutes, and it doesn't look very appetizing. Although it is low in calories. But you know what it does cook? Bacon. Perfect, crispy bacon. This is regular cut bacon that I bought at Costco, and I put this in for about 10 minutes at 370 degrees. If you get the thick cut bacon, you might want to go 12 to 13 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. And say what you want about me, but I always bring home the bacon. Till next time. Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true.